Hello everyone and welcome to Mathematics School. So in this video, we are going to solve a question from the chapter Vectors. Especially the topic is coplanarity of 4 points. The beauty of the question lies in its language, how you interpret the question and then how you solve it. Let us see in this video. चलिए तो start करते हैं. So let us read the question. Given that vector A, B, C, D are position vector of 4 points forming a tetrahedron. These are 4 points forming a tetrahedron. And X is a set containing the vector of the type x1a vector, x2b vector, x3c vector, x4d vector. यानी some linear combination of a, b, c, d with the constraint that जो scalars हमने use किए हैं उनका sum 2 होगा. And all the scalar quantities xi जो है they are natural numbers using natural numbers union 0. Okay. And first of all, let me see how many combinations can be made. One combination is like 2, 0, 0, 0, which can be rotated in 4 ways, right? The other one that we can have here is having 1, 1, 0, 0, right? 2 ones and 2 zeros. Like this also we can have some situation. So this also some situation means here we have 4 cases. How many cases are we going to get here? Now let us see. It will be like 4 factorial upon 2 factorial, 2 factorial. यानी ये 24 डिवाइडेड बाय 4 है यानी ये 6 आ जाएगा. सो टोटल 10 पॉइंट्स आपको मिलने वाले हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस कंडीशन एंड रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय दिस वेक्टर. व्हाट आर दोस 10 वेक्टर्स? सो यू कैन सी दैट यू विल बी गेटिंग 2a वेक्टर, 2b वेक्टर, 2c वेक्टर, 2d वेक्टर इन द फर्स्ट केस. ठीक है ना, इस केस में 2a, 2b, 2c, 2d आ जाएगा. व्हाट अबाउट दिस वन? हियर वी आर गोइंग टू गेट वेक्टर a प्लस वेक्टर b प्लस वेक्टर c एंड सो ऑन. So basically vector A plus vector B can be taken as if it is the middle point of 2A vector and 2B vector, right? वो उसका middle point treat किया जा सकता है. Yes. So total जो 10 points है. Now if you notice them carefully, you will find that these 10 points are either representing the vertices of a tetrahedron. ठीक है, कोई भी नया tetrahedron. I'm not saying that tetrahedron with the possession vectors A, B, C, D. No, a new tetrahedron I'm taking. The 4 points, in fact, the 10 points are actually representing. What are these 10 points representing? They are representing either the vertices of the tetrahedron. So I'm just writing it as first point P1, P2 करके हम लोग लिखना शुरू करते हैं. तो हमारे पास फाइनली किस पॉइंट की नीड होगी, मैं उससे सबसे ऊपर ले लेती हूँ 2D वेक्टर. तो हम इसे ले लेंगे यहाँ पे P4. This is P1, P2, P3. P3 means 2C vector I have taken. This is 2B vector I have taken. 2A vector and this is 2D vector. ये चारों points तो मार्क कर ही दिए और remaining points पर चलते हैं. What are the remaining points? One is A plus B. That means the middle point of P1, P2. So I'm going to write it as P5. Then we have the middle point of P1, P4. This one I'm going to write as P6. P1, P3 का middle point I have written P7. Then 3 more edges are left. उनके भी middle points आ रहे हैं. P2, P3 इसे लिख लिया P8. Then I'm going to write P2, P4 का middle point. So P9. And here is the point number 10. So ये रहे 10 points which are actually written in the form of set. See, इनके possession vector को set form में दे दिया गया है. Right? Let us read the question. S denote the set containing 4 element subset of X. यानी अब आपको एक नया set बनाना है which is going to contain 4 points out of these 10. ठीक है, we have to make a set containing 4 points out of these 10. इस 10 में से 4 points का एक set बनाया जाएगा with the condition let T belongs to S. Now we have to take another subset of the set S. यानी आपने 4 points का एक set बनाया, उसमें से एक element है T. What is it representing? T is representing that you have selected 4 points out of the 10 points such that 2D vector is always included. 2D vector का मतलब ये हुआ कि point 4 is always included. ठीक है, so T is that subset which contains 4 points out of which one is always P4. Now they are saying find the number of possible sets T. आपको ऐसे T को identify करना है कि कितने ऐसे sets आप बना सकते हैं जिसमें आपके पास 4 points होंगे, जिसमें से एक point हमेशा P4 होगा. Another condition such that the 4 elements of the set T are coplanar. यानी जो हमारे पास T पॉइंट के साथ या T सबसेट में जो 4 पॉइंट्स आएंगे they should be coplanar as well. So basically 4 points का set containing P4 and they should be coplanar. They have to be coplanar. ठीक है, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं. तो how can we select 4 points so that they are coplanar? Now, the first case I would take, let us take जो 4 points हमें लेने हैं, let us take it on the same plane. Same plane का मतलब मेरे पास 4 planes मुझे नजर आ रहे हैं, 4 planes of the tetrahedron, 4 faces of the tetrahedron. So let us select all the 4 points from the same face of the tetrahedron. Like this, we will get coplanar points, right? So हमें क्या चाहिए? हमें coplanar points चाहिए. कैसे हम select करेंगे? So आपके पास जो 4 elements लेने हैं, उसमें से एक D2D तो लेना ही होगा, यानी P4 point will always be taken. Now you can see that P4 is actually lying on 3 faces of the tetrahedron. What are the 3 faces on which P4 is lying? It is lying on P4, P3, P2. It is lying on P4, P2, P1. It is lying on P4, P1, P3, right? These are the 3 faces on which P4 is lying. So let us consider first of all this face. P4 to le liya. Now you need 3 more points so that total 4 honge and they will be coplanar. So I started with, first of all, the side P4, P2, P3. Just look at this face. How many points are there on this face apart from P4? So let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the plane P2, P4, P3, we have total 6 points, but P4 is already taken and I need 3 more points from the same face. Whatever 3 points you are selecting from this face will constitute total 4 points ka set, which will be coplanar vectors or coplanar points. You will be getting 4 coplanar points. ठीक है ना? तो चलिए क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले स्पेस की बात करते हैं. तो there are 5 more points out of which I'll be selecting any 3. That's it. So from this space, there is a possibility of selecting 3 more points in 5, say 3 ways. But how many such possibilities or how many such cases can be made? 3 such cases. यानी आप जो 3 points ले रहे हो वो face P1, P2, P4 से ले सकते हो. आप P1, P3, P4 से ले सकते हो. You can also take it from P2, P4, P3. So that's why you will have to multiply it with 3 so that you can say कि okay, total 4 coplanar points can be taken in this much number of ways. सही है. तो ये तो हो गया पहला केस. इसे मैं स्टार मार्क बना के रख देती हूँ. क्या लिख देते हैं? This is capital A. Is there any other possibility of getting 4 points coplanar in which P4 will always be included? तो देखते हैं अब क्या हम किसी और तरीके से 4 coplanar points को ले पाएंगे. तो उसे लेने के लिए हमारे पास क्या तरीका हो सकता है? दूसरा तरीका जिसमें P4 will always be included. So what you can do is through P4 you consider the edge. अब 3 edges हैं यहाँ पे, या तो P4 P1 या P4 P2 या P4 P3. So I have taken right now P4 P2. कोई भी एक edge पकड़ो, तीनों edges के लिए सेम रिजल्ट निकलेगा. तो हमने कोई भी एक edge को पकड़ लिया. तो consider P4 P2. How many points we have already selected? 3 points तो ले लिया, right? P2, P9, P4. इन 3 points are already selected. अब इन सारे पॉइंट्स को जब हमने सिलेक्ट कर लिया, इन 3 पॉइंट्स को जब हमने सिलेक्ट कर लिया, तो अभी एक और पॉइंट का सिलेक्शन करना होगा. We have to select the 4th point in such a manner such that it becomes coplanar with these 3. So the possibility that we have here is you go and select P7, the middle point of the opposite edge, right? Now you can see that the new blue plane that we are getting, on this plane, we have 4 points out of the 10 that we were getting initially. It includes P4 and all the 4 points are coplanar. This is what I wanted, right? ऐसे कितने cases बन जाएंगे जब आप 4 points को इस तरह ले रहे हो कि 3 points are on the edge containing P4 and the middle point of opposite side. तो ऐसे कितने cases बनते हैं? You can see that one already I have traced. The other one you can get with P4 P1. The third one you can get with P4 P3. So how many such cases are there in the second case? Second case में only 3 ways are there or 3 cases are there. अब मुझे final answer निकालना है. So what is going to be the final answer for the question? What exactly do we have to find out? The number of possible sets T such that the 4 elements of set T are coplanar is equal to. अब हमें इसे find करना है, तो हम find कर लेते हैं. This will be 3 multiplied by 5C3 and after that what do we have is plus 3, right? So what is 5C3? 5C3 is same as 5C2. It is 10. 30 plus 3, that is 33 ways. So here's the answer to the question. We will be getting 33 such ways. So if you like the video, then please don't forget to hit the like button. Do share and subscribe the channel with your fellow friends and aspirants. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.